Yo guys, Tyler the Game here. We're catching down Thunderstorm in September 4th, 2025. I didn't expect it to show up like this. I just saw it like flash lightning, so like just grab a camera, record, and here it is. Hopefully you like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. And yeah, enjoy. I was just hoping I could catch something. Anyway guys, I think I lens. Alright, just so you know guys, my groceries should be coming around either 7 or 9 a.m. in the morning. And right now, since it's 7, it hasn't come yet. But I'm sure it'll come today, so I'm just hoping I can wait because the weather like this, because it hasn't rained in like a couple of days. It's been hot. So I'm just hoping it will cool down a little bit, maybe like get down to 62. That's chillier than it was last time. Ooh, a jacket. Sweet. That's what I bought. What? Camouflage jacket.
Oh yeah?
Come on Sunday. It says something.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, I don't need that.
Huh?
I don't need that anymore.
Yeah, when it gets cooler out, yeah.
October's supposed to be really chilly.
Yeah.
Like when you can't wear shorts. I might not need shorts.
Where'd you get it from?
Amazon.
Oh, okay.
You shop Amazon?
Yeah, all the time. All the time.
There's no shop there this time.
Huh?
There's no shop there this time.
I'm probably gonna finish getting some more stuff for my man cave. I get a lot of my stuff off Amazon for my man cave. Doing good. I just gotta get some fish for my fish tank. When it's done. Huh? Yeah, I still gotta get a couple of things. Let me try to find it on my phone so I can show you. And I got my gun set. On my phone somewhere, but yeah, my still and stuff. Sheldon painted that picture for me right there. That's my old one. I got another one in this one anyway. Yeah. My gun sets. Yeah, so I gotta get some fish for my fish tank. So yeah, I gotta fill it up with some water, get some fish, and then
You gotta feed it every once in a while.
yeah, like once a week.
Try it or so.
Yeah, once a day, and that'll be good. Yeah. So how you liking the new house and all the new staff? You like everything? Everything's cool? Yeah. You like me being the house manager? Yeah. Yep. Yep. But everything's been good. This is one of the good houses. So, yeah. 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 You you an appointment on October 15th, but that's for the community health plan.
This one though.
Yeah, and then you got one November 4th, like you said, and then you got one December 8th. That's it. That's what you need.
That's Monday. That's something Monday. That's Monday.
What?
Usually we don't work on Monday.
Yeah, I don't work on Mark, he's works on Monday. So, if you ever have an appointment on a Monday, like he can take you, but if you don't want him to take you, you want me to take you, like just come in the room tomorrow. And then go back home after we're done. So,
Sounds good.
Alright, I didn't catch anything. I was hoping it would last all day. Oh wait, I think I hear something. For sure, because I'm not catching lightning. Yeah, so I was talking to my staff, because we gotta do our jobs. My job's YouTube, their jobs is quick here homes. That's the way it is right now. In fact, now I can start at YouTube and there's already Thunderstorm right there. Alright, I don't know if you noticed, I had to take out AC just so I could let the cool air in and let the hot air out. That way I can cool off a little bit. Because every time I let the bugs in, especially during the summer, when it's not hot or when it's hot and it's still letting the bugs in, I got like bugs on my computer monitor, which I hate. Because bugs will get on my monitor because they like the light. They like almost every electronics they go onto. Which I have to squish them all, but they keep coming in, so I just gotta close my windows. I'm just hoping summer will be over. Fall comes first, spring comes second. Well, winter comes second, because we get the first day of fall and then it gets really chilly, so we have to wear like pants, long sleeve shirt, jacket, socks, shoes, no sandals, no like flip flops, no like we wear like shorts and stuff. That's gonna be over. Sort of. It's still gonna be a little warm. I have my fan on, so that's not gonna keep me cool. So and you're probably gonna catch any thunderstorm. I haven't caught anything really. Oh. Yeah, I was watching the backwards video, guys. So it takes about 10 minutes to finish. Oh. Weather isn't bad. Well, it's technically not. I might have to brighten down a little bit just to make sure I can see where the thunderstorm is. And if I can't do that right now, I might as well just get rid of stuff I don't need. I'll just look up my file. Let's see, I just want to get rid of some stuff because it's getting cluttered right now. So, I'm gonna have to... Yeah, guys, I'm getting bugs on all my computer. Okay, guys, I just want to do this real quick before something happens to my computer that it won't be able to fill up my stuff. So I'm just gonna do this. go to Elements because that's where I plug in my, terabyte stuff. I don't have a lot of videos, but this is enough videos to fill up the space. At least I'll be able to free up space before I upload this video to YouTube. You really get to know I like to upload videos, especially before morning, like in the afternoon. I want to, drag. You can't really see it because I'm on the computer. So I'm just gonna do this and then delete, because then I'll have some space. Let's see. I want to go. Can't really see well, so I'm just gonna go run. I'm gonna go prefetch because that's where your stuff is. So I'm just gonna control A and D. Skip that. So, and I'm gonna go run again. I'm gonna go to temp. Now we'll go the same thing. Put 2% on either side. Just don't really suck all of it. Just like give it once you don't need it. So you might want to skip that. Okay, and we'll go run again. We'll go add percentage, which is stuff that you have that you don't really need. I'm talking like, project start, right? So I'll just control D up, and then from random, because, as you know, I save a lot of things, which I don't. Okay, I gotta I'm gonna control A, I don't want control D, because it could mess up my computer, so I just want to control A. And I want to grab all this into my elements, because that's where I save my stuff, like my videos and pictures and thumbnails, sort of like that. But most of the shorts and live stream. I don't do live streams on recordings unless something happens that I got recorded, and I might have to do that. And it's gonna take a little bit to it usually doesn't take that long when you try to drag all this into the elements, because it only takes like about a few seconds. They'll give you an estimate on how long it takes, so that, you don't have to wait till, okay, you can't do this, you can't do that. It's like, what you can do? I got every video of my file, and I gotta move them to elements, of course. Then I gotta control D as delete. Just delete that stuff that you don't need. I got the backup and stuff, so I got all these stuff you can't really see right now. So I'm just gonna go to my cycle bin, just delete stuff I don't need. That should be free. Yep. Okay, we're good, guys. You're lucky I'm getting Thunderstorm. I'm not catching anything. So be sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.